How to fix Sahel app download problem on Play Store? Hey everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you to fix Sahel app download problem on your Play Store. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. First of all, open Google Play Store on your device. Ensure to log into the account. Tap Profile at top right corner of the screen. Select Settings. Tap Network Preferences. Tap App Download Preference and select over any network. Tap OK button and then you have to move ahead to do the second step. Open Settings. Scroll down, locate Apps. Tap on it. Now select the App Management. Tap on the search bar at top of the screen once every item gets loaded here. Select Google or search for Google Play Store directly. Open Google Play Store and tap Storage Uses. Tap Clear Cache. Come back to the same section. Come back again. Here, select Google Play Services. Tap Storage Uses. And here, select Clear Cache. Tap Manage the Space. And here you need to tap Clear All Data. And once you do that, you need to check whether your issue has been persist or not. If not, you need to check whether there is enough storage on your device or not. If there is no any storage, you need to uninstall the unwanted application and files and try downloading the app. This will fix your issue. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.